Okay, so here, do you remember so we changed the color of the text, and also we changed the color of the background. On our layout, we make sure we include the name of the CSS. And welcome to part 5 of um, fifth part of project 1. And we are working on the H and the templates, Jinja templates. Um, so yes, we included our CSS file in here, and now we can do as many colors as we want. This in here is not going to be the final. We cannot see this one. This in here is not going to be the final result or anything. I'm just showing you. Okay. By the way, this in here is not displaying hello, is it me you're looking for? No. What I'm doing here, and you see the index.html, I just inherited from the layout.html, and then I added this block, the black body, the body block, and this body block is going to be replaced. This body block is this in here, in the middle, right here. Now, okay, so I'm going to create the header file for now. Unplug, and I will have the I will call this class header. Mm, um, right now I think I will make see. Let me see what I want to have. So on the header we can have something like um an order list item, um, um contact, oops, and this item, yeah, about, I don't need to have contact or about. I will just put something this is locking for later. I don't need to have something. UL. So, okay, so I will create a class called nav. It doesn't matter. I could have used like a nav tag or something like that. I just decided to use the UL. Now, I will export on the layout. I will call the header in here. Sorry, so you use include in here instead of extend because this is a base file, then these are not base file. Okay, include. Now, so include and then HTML file name into quotation marks. Now, what else do we want? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's work with this URL with the class nav for the navigator on the header. We are going to have a style type none, so it will not show those dots or any type of cool things next to the li. Let's make margin 0 so there is no spaces. It's complete and padding 0. Overflow background color, let's make a black for now. Later on we do something else with that. Should be 6 right now for the black and white, could be 3. Let's take a look at our headers and yeah, let's put this into anchors. For now, later on, we're gonna do something else with the ankles, so we have to press. Okay, so we put everything in ankle tags, and now let's go back in here and let's do LIA and let's give this display black for now, so they display the same thing and the same. We don't need big things in here for now. Float to left. for now. A display block and none. What else can I put in here? So this text decoration none for the anchor will now display the underline thing. Or color when you click, or change color when you click the link in here. Let's write about the padding. Let's have separation. So for now, let's have the top center. Let me make padding a little bit more bigger, maybe 16 and 18, doesn't matter right now. See how it looks like if we make this. Sorry, there should not be any comma in here, and this should be making looking good now, right? Better. This we have to make it because we don't want this blue in here to be blue. Oh yes, so let's make the color white for now. Color white. Save. That doesn't matter here. Okay, we're going to continue later. For now. But it's looking good so far. Bye.